Okay kayo diyan? Excited na ba kayong malaman kung anong messages ng universe sa inyo ngayong June? Alright. Now, nag-shuffle na po ako ng cards. So, let's see kung ano po ang importanteng malaman. So, the first card, ito ay Two of Swords. And then, you have the Strength card, the High Priestess, Wheel of Fortune, Seven of Cups, and you have the Ace of Wands. Two of Swords lang po ito, pero matindi. Sa lahat ng zodiac signs ngayong June, kayo yung makakaranas ng struggles. Alright? Pero swerte naman kayo mga 2 months ago or 3 months ago. Ngayon lang June, it's very challenging. Pero kayang-kaya niyo naman. Yung iba dyan, please be hopeful and please um, be positive. Lagi lang. Okay? The Two of Swords and the Strength card, you have the High Priestess, Wheel of Fortune, Seven of Cups, the Ace of Wands. Gusto mong magbiyahe pa-abroad. If that's your wish, it's a struggle for you. Okay? Um, ano pa ba? Wait lang. Seven of Cups, the Ace of Wands, the World card, the Hermit Moon. Mostly sa first row and second row, it's about your job. Okay? It's about your work. Two of Swords kasi pinaghalo po yung experience ninyo sa personal na buhay. It's a struggle kasi may mga problems ba kayo personally. And then there are also things that you want to happen sa career mo. Especially if you're working for a job sa labas. Okay? Out abroad. Alright? The World card, the Hermit mode, the Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. Kung kaka-start mo lang po ng business, kahit maliit man yan or malaki, sa investments, expected po yan. There will be a struggle, competition, especially sa management. Okay? It's hindi naman yung sa mga tao mo, but it's a competition from other stores, other companies, other business din na ganyan yung line of work or career opportunity. Now you have the Four of Swords right here, and you have the Ten of Wands, Nine of Cups. Ito, hindi naman to mga pagdurusa, okay? Wala namang magdurusa ngayong June. Ito lang is you will be tired, of course. If you get tired because of your job, that's okay. That's normal. Kasi nagtatrabaho tayo. Pero wag po tayo mag-expect we would have, ano, um, we would have, uh, yung, yung, yung pera kaagad. Okay, because it's hard work right here. The Four of Swords, the Ten of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. You have the Magician, the Tower card, Emperor. Wala namang problema po sa pera. Okay? Hindi naman tatalbog ang pera, hindi naman mawawala yung pera. You have the Ace of Cups, the Emperor right here, Three of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. So there will be parties this June for Pisces, mga konting salo-salo together with the family. Okay? Um, kapag ikaw ay married, you will lead your husband dito. Feminine po yung magle-lead sa household. So kung for example, napaka-strong dominante ng asawa mo, hindi yan oobra sa'yo kasi ikaw yung magle-lead ngayon. Now, kung ayaw naman magpapigil ng isa, ng partner mo, sometimes there will be disappointments, but most of the time, you will lead this relationship this June. So, minsan may mga pag-aaway, but that is expected because you are very strong this month, very determined and very focused on what you want to do. inside the house and outside. Okay? Queen of Swords, Three of Swords, wala naman ako nakikitang third party dito, so okay lang. Page of Pentacles, you have the Moon card, Three of Swords. If you want to have a baby, you can have a baby. You will conceive. Amen. Sana. Knight of Swords, and you have the Six of Swords. Alam mo, if, for example, if may mga pag-aaway kayo sa partner mo, whether single or married ka, don't go back to your parents. That is not advisable. You try to lead the relationship. Ikaw mag-lead ng relationship. It will have reactions from your partner, but that's okay. Just try to lead. No backing, no backing out. Okay? In terms of, check natin, in terms of love life, ano nga ba? For you singles, for you married people, ano ba? Check natin ha. The Two of Swords, the Strength card, the High Priestess, the Wheel of Fortune. For those of you who are in a long distance relationship, why are you what do you have two options? Or maybe confused ka? Um, do you want to, this is not letting go eh. It's really you having two options. So kung ako sa'yo, you stay focused. Just love this person. Because if you have two options, it's either you will stay or you will go. Two options yun. Okay, so it's better to just stay. Okay, Pisces. Seven of Cups, Ace of Wands, the World card. I think you're attracted to other persons as well. This is for long distance relationships and even to other singles na makaka-relate. Nine of Pentacles is choosing the best for you. You have the Knight of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Four of Swords. It's not great to be with friends right in this June kasi magka-create ng tension. So if you want to be with your friends this June, ilimit mo lang kasi baka may tension. Okay, the Four of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Nine of Cups. Siyempre, wala ka munang maibibigay sa family mo. Okay? Kasi wala ka pa. Wala ka may support. Alright? Sa relationships, ano pa ba? The World card, the Hermit mode. If kung hindi mo napapansin, this is a really stable relationship, Pisces. It's just that hindi ka lang focus. Okay? You have the Seven of Cups, Ace of Wands, the World card, the Hermit mode. Wait lang, tingnan ko. I mean, if merong taong who should give time, who should give space, ikaw yun. Okay? You should give time to your loved ones or you give space. Two options din. Alright? Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. You have the Five of Wands. Hindi naman sa nagmamatigas ka. Okay? Because of personal problems, some of you don't have partners. Okay, you are a single mom. Uh, of course, makaapekto din yan sa relationships mo sa ibang tao. Okay, if may boyfriend ka na ngayon, may kinakasama because of you know past experiences mo. But that doesn't mean na um, if something happens to you na medyo major, hindi ibig sabihin na mahahati na po yung mawawala yung love ng partner. Hindi naman sa ganun. So, do not overthink. Alright? You have the Three of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Three of Swords, feeling heartbroken kasi you feel that you lost something, but actually, no. If you feel that you have lost yourself, lost a part of yourself, no, you have not lost anything. All right. Just move on, go on with your life. Um, wala akong nakakitang breakup eh. Ano pa ba? This is moving on to Wheel of Fortune. You have the Knight of Wands. There will be nights where mapapaisip ka talaga. Okay. Konting-konti na lang makakatulog ka na lang sana na makakatulog ka sana pero ag may maiisip ka na namang problema, issues, or may makikita ka sa social media namang issues, hindi ka makakatulog. But you have the Emperor right here, the Page of Pentacles. Always remember that you have something in you, talents, peace of mind, that can always help you get up and be inspired again. You have the Ace of Wands, the Four of Swords right here, and the Ace of Cups. Singles, do not worry. In the near future, you will have your peace of mind because you will have special someone. All right. You have the Strength card, the Hermit mode, the Nine of Cups, Queen of Swords. Sometimes lang ma-pride. So please be humble. All right. Two of Swords, you have the World card, the Ten of Wands. For those of you who are in other parts of the world, kayod ng kayod. Syempre, you are very, very tired. You have the Ace of Wands, pero okay lang po yan. Knight of Swords, and you have the Six of Swords right here. Make yung dalawa dito. Reflection talaga, pag-iisip internally kung anong makakasaya sa'yo. Okay, so yun lang for Pisces. Si Pisces talaga napakaseryoso sa buhay. Kasi naman po, talented, intelligent talaga si Pisces. Kasi si Pisces, you focus too much on what yourself. Kapag ayaw mong ibigay, ayaw mo talaga. Kailangan talaga manggagaling sa'yo eh. But just be open. You know, Pisces, please be open. Willing to be open. More friendly. Ganyan. Kasi pag hindi hindi ka sunod sa prinsipyo mo, hindi ka nag-o-open up kahit sa friends mo. Um, kahit sa friends mo. So you ask also what's their problem and advise them according to their needs, hindi yung about your principles. All right? So be approachable din. Yun lang for Pisces right now. And hopefully, um, may natutunan po kayo sa reading ko. Thank you so much, Pisces. Alagaan niyo sarili niyo and I'll see you next time sa reading niyo. Okay? Bye po.